Friends, we will now solve this magic square puzzle. Okay. So, what is this magic square puzzle? This is an 8 by 8 magic square. It contains number 8 rows and 8 columns and 2 diagonals, and therefore it has got 8 into 8, 64 cells. And each cell contains one number, and 8 into 8 is equal to 64. Therefore, this 8 by 8 magic square consists numbers from 1 to 64. Each number occurs only once. 1 occurs here, it won't occur anywhere else. 52 occurs here, it won't occur anywhere else. 20 occurs here, it won't occur anywhere else. The sum of these two numbers is 71, and this cell value is 20. The sum of these three numbers is 101. This cell value is 52. Okay. And since, as I said to you earlier, it contains 8 rows, 8 columns and 2 diagonals. Each row gives you sum of 260. Each column gives you sum of 260. And each diagonal gives you sum of 260. This diagonal 260, this diagonal 260. Okay. So that is a general rule for a 8 by 8 magic square. My 8 by 8 magic squares are different in the sense that it contains 4 4 by 4 subsquare. This is one 4 by 4 subsquare. This is one 4 by 4 subsquare. This is one 4 by 4 subsquare. And this is one 4 by 4 subsquare. This contains these 4 numbers gives you 130. 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 Not only that, 4 cells in the same color gives you 130. 4 cells in the same color gives you 130. 4 cells in the same color gives you 130. And these 4 cells in the same color gives you 130. And these 4 cells in the same color gives you 130. So this subsquare is like that, this subsquare is like that, this subsquare is like that, this subsquare is like that. Now we will, if you have any doubt, you can go and see more properties in the above video. Okay. Now we will solve this magic square puzzle. So magic square puzzles, you can start anywhere, go anywhere, come anywhere, finish anywhere. So you can start wherever you want to. Suppose you want to start from here. These 3 numbers are 101, and we know these 4 numbers are 130. So what is this? This is 130 minus 101, 29. And what is this? These 2 numbers are 39. This is 29. 39 plus 29 is equal to 30 plus 38. Okay, that's equal to 68. What is this? These 3 numbers 68. This is 130 minus 68. Okay, this is 62. Okay, these 3 numbers are 117, and these 4 numbers are 130. What is this? This is 130 minus 117, 13. And what is this? These 4 numbers are 127. This is 13. 124, 114. So these 3 numbers are 114. So what is this? These 4 numbers are 130. And these 3 numbers are 114. This is 130 minus 114, 16. Okay, what is this number? These 3 numbers are 99. And we know these 4 numbers are 130. 130 minus 99, 31. Okay, if this is 31, what is this? This is 2. And so then what is this? These 3 numbers are 96. We know these 4 numbers are 130. This is 130 minus 96, 34. And what is this? This is center 2 by 2 should be 130. So 34 plus 16, 50. 50 plus 31, 18, 81. This is 130 minus 81, 49. Okay. So what is this? This is 34 plus 31, 65. 65 plus 1, 66. Here you put 64. Okay. Diagonal rules. Okay. And now, can you find out this one? Yes. These 2 numbers are 96. Okay, and these 3 numbers are 88. 96 minus 88, you can put it as 100 plus 84, 184. So these 5 numbers are 184. Okay, and we know these 4 numbers are 130. This is what 184 minus 130, 54. Okay, can you find out this one? These 4 numbers are 134. This is 64. Okay, so what is it? These 3 numbers are what? 134 minus 64. That's equal to 70. These 3 numbers are 70. So these 4 numbers are 130. This is 130 minus 70 is equal to 60. Okay, and what is this? This is 60, these two are 43. 60 plus 43, 103. We know these four numbers are 130. This is 130 minus 103, 27. Okay, and what else? Can you find out this one? Yes, these two numbers are 43. These three numbers are 128. And 43 plus 128 is equal to, say, 130 plus 41, 171. These five numbers are 171. And we know these four numbers are 130. This is 171 minus 130, 41. And what is this? These two numbers are 69. And so this is what? 128 minus 69 is equal to 59. 59. Okay. What is this? So you see, these three numbers are 88. Okay. This is 54. So therefore these two numbers are 88 minus 54, that's equal to 34. 34 plus 59, that's equal to 60 plus 33, 93. So these three numbers are 93 and these four numbers are 130. This is 130 minus 93, 37. Okay, what is this? These four numbers should give you 130, or these four numbers should give you 130. 60 plus 27, 87. 87 plus 37 is equal to 94, 104, 114, 124, 6. Okay, answer is right, color has changed. So what else you can find out? Can you find out this one? Yes, we can find out this one. These three numbers are 88. These four numbers are 130. What is this? 130 minus 88, 42. This is 42. What is this? This is 24. Okay, and can you find out this one? Yes. These four numbers are 146. These five numbers are what? 146 plus 41, 187. But we know these four numbers should be 130. This is what? 187 minus 130, 57. Okay, what is center 2 by 2? So 66 plus 57 is equal to, you can put it as 63 plus 60, 123. 7 you put, you get 130. So okay, diagonals we have found out. So what else we can find out? Okay. What else? Can you find out this one? Yes. So this is what? These four numbers are 127. This is 13. So these three numbers are 124, 114. This is 114. This is 2. This is 2. 114 plus 2, 116. Plus 64. 120, 180. These five numbers are 180. And we know these four numbers are 130. This is 180 minus 130, 50. Okay, this is 50. What is this? This is 33. And what is, well, what else you can find out? Okay. So what else you can find out? You can find out this one. These two numbers are 71. One is 20. So another one is 51. Okay, what is this? 71 plus 13 is equal to 84. This is 46. So what is this? These four numbers should give you 130. Okay, this is 13 plus 46, 59. 59 plus 52, 60 plus 51, 111. So this is 130 minus 111, 19. And what is this? So 62 plus 19 is equal to say 61 plus 20, 81. So this is what? 13, 84, 94. Here you put 36. Answer is right, color will change. What is this? 46 plus 52 is equal to 48 plus 50, 98. 98 plus 29 is equal to 97 plus 30, 127. Here you put 3. Okay, and what is this? Here this is 20. This is 3. This is 62. 62 plus 3, 65. 65 plus 20, 85. This is here you put 45 to get 130. And what is center? 2 by 2 should give you 130. This is 45 plus 52, 97. 97 plus 300. Here you put 30. Okay. And what is this? 51 plus 45 is equal to 96. 96 plus 30, 126. Here you put 4. And what is this? Here these two numbers gives you 39. One is 4, another one is 35. Okay. And what is this? 36 plus 3, 39. 39 plus 30, 69. Here you put 61 to get 130. And what is this? So this is 52. 51 plus 20, 71. 71 plus 45, 76. 86, 96, 106, 116. Here you put 14. 45 plus 14 is equal to 59. 59 plus 9 is equal to 68. And what is this? Here you put 40 to get to 60 here. Answer is right, color changes. Okay, what is this? Diagonal should give you 130. 41 plus 24, 65. 65 plus 7, 72. 58. Okay, and what is this? This is this 3 put together 146. 60 plus 61 plus 30, 91. 91 okay, 46 plus 9 is equal to 55. Here you put 55. And what will you put here? Here you put 26. Okay, so one subsquare is finished. And what can you find out this one? Yes, these four numbers will give you 130. So 55 plus 58 is equal to 113. 113 plus 7, 120. Here you put 10 to get 130. Okay, and what do you get? What should you get here? 58 plus 55, 113. 113 plus 9, 122. Put 8 here to get 130. What do you get here? 57 plus 7, 64. 64 plus 10, 74. Here you put 56. Okay, and what is this? And this is you see 235. Here you put 25 to get 260. Okay, and what is this? 41 plus 40, 81. 81 plus 26, 87. 97, 107. Put here 23. And what is this? Here you put 39 to get 260. So two subsquares are finished. Okay, and then what else you can find out? Okay. Now we will have to use some other rule to solve this magic square. So what rule we have to find out? Okay, so if we are not able to find out a rule, but we can find out this one, but this is quite complicated. See, these three numbers are 87 and this is 49, this is 59. 49 plus 59, you can put it as 58 plus 50, 108. These three are 108, these three are 87. 108 plus 87. What is 108 plus 87? 108 plus 87. 87 plus 8, 95. So these six numbers becomes 195. We know these four numbers are 130. So this is these two numbers are 195 minus 130, that's 65. 65 and this is 54. 65 plus 54 is equal to 119. And these four numbers should give you 130. This is 130 minus 119, 11. And what do you get here? Here you put 38. Answer is right, color will change. So color has not changed. Therefore answer is not right. But that logic is right. 49 plus 58 is equal to 50, 58, 108. This is 87. So 87 plus 8 is 95. That means 195 only. 195. This is 65. 65 plus 59 is equal to, say, 65 plus 50, 115, 119. Answer should be right only. So what is the problem here? So some you hit this is a very easy one, we forgot it. Okay, so this one you put here 38, so you get 48. Okay, you get 260. What do you get here? So and then here what you say, you press hint, it shows the way. Okay, it solves it like this. Okay, this plus this plus this plus this should give you 130. That rule it applies. Okay, 54 plus 6, 60, 60 plus 27, 87. This is 130 minus 87, 43. Okay, what is this now? Here you put 53. And what is this? Okay, so what else did you want? Plus one more hint. How did say? This is solved like this. This plus this is equal to this plus this. 43 plus 28 is equal to 41 plus 30, 71. The 60 plus 11 is equal to 71. Okay, now now we have found out that. And what else you can find out? This you can find out. This is, say, this 3 put together 59. 33 plus 11, 44. 44 here put 15. Okay, now everything is solved. 34 plus 49 is equal to 33 plus 50, 83. 83 plus 15, 88, 98. Put here 32. Answer is right, color will change. And here you put 18. Okay, and here you put, say, this is what? 1 plus 32, 33. 33 plus 34, 67. Here you put 63. Answer is right, color will change. What do you put here? Here you put 17. And what do you put here? Here you put 47. Answer is right, color changes. Now, what do you put here? 48 plus 18 is equal to 56, 66. Okay, these three numbers are 87. 87 minus 66 is equal to 21. And what do you get here? Here you put 12. Okay, what do you get here? Here you put 22. And what do you get here? Diagonal should be 260. 38 you put here. And what do you get here? Here you put 5. And what do you get here? Put 44. So now we have finished one magic square puzzle. Magic squares are very easy and very interesting puzzles, okay, and a very interesting subject. In fact, Srinivasa Ramanujan's first work, initial works, were in magic squares. And magic squares has fascinated the civilizations all across the globe. And India had done a very pioneering work in the field of magic squares. Okay, and if you solve these magic square puzzles, one puzzle one day, what happens is that your brain starts working very well, and you will be able to do the reasoning and arithmetic well in your mind itself. Okay, it helps you to break the fear for mathematics. And I wish you all to log on to my website www.magicsquarepuzzles.com and register yourself and play the puzzles. And we also kindly request you to like, share and comment on my YouTube video, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Good day. Bye.